What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is if you wanted to see a screen glass protector that will actually look like it will fit on the Galaxy Note 10, here is one right here. We had one last week, but it didn't have the cutout for the camera at the top. As you can see, camera smack dab in the middle instead of in the top right like we get with the S10 line of phones. I don't know, I can see this growing on me in terms of it being in the middle. When I look at it, I'm not like, ooh, hideous. It doesn't look that bad to me, actually. Another big thing to see on this, like I said last time, is how small the bezels are, at least on the sides and at the top. The bottom has a very slight bezel. When I look at the bezel on the Galaxy S10 Plus, it looks somewhat similar to the most part, but anyways, very small bezels all the way around on this phone. And then speaking of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Pro, here is a side-by-side comparison of tempered glass, but obviously this will be the size of the phone in the Note 10 Pro, or or as you see on the screen, Ento and Noet. I guess it's just typo spellings from a Chinese company, but regardless, you can see it right here in the Note 10 Pro. It looks gigantor compared to the just regular size Note 10, and I love big phones. And the Note 10 Pro is supposed to be 6.7 inches big versus about 6.28 on the regular Note 10, which is still a large phone. But I mean, I just love having a large phone to have a large screen to watch YouTube and look at websites and social media and pictures, and just it's a pleasure to have such a large screen. So I'm very excited about the size of the Note 10 Pro, and it's definitely, without a doubt, the version I'll be getting when I get the Note 10. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. What do you think about the size of the Galaxy Note 10 Pro? Is it too large? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you ever, I always point down to the left. I always say it before, but my computer's right there. That's why I point down, because that's what I was looking at. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.